Okay guys, in this part of my video I will show you how to install burnt games or original games to your hard disk drive. To do this you must have of course a modded Xbox. I use Unleash X, so let's turn it on. I will put one copy of my Counter-Strike game. It can be done and of course with an original game, but I will do it with a copy one to show you that it works perfectly. So let's begin. Go to your menu. Let's go to System, MISC, copy game disk, press OK and wait. This is a process to copy your game to your hard disk drive. When this is finished, you must reboot your console. As you can see, it says 7 minutes right here. Sorry about my flash around here. So I don't gonna wait. I will show you until it finishes the whole part 2. So see ya. Okay, now we are finished almost. Yeah. So now go back again. Go to games, and you can see, as you can see, there is nothing. No game, nothing, just nothing. So press B, go down, and press reboot. And now go to games and Counter-Strike, and I will play it to show to you that it works perfectly. I hope you enjoyed my video. So wait a sec to increase the volume. As you can see, it starts perfectly. It runs, sorry. I don't care my profile. Yeah, I think it runs perfectly. It runs. Always counter terrorists. Okay. Yeah, it runs perfectly. So thank you for watching one more time, and I hope you liked my video. So thank you, and subscribe for more.